Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Looney, and I want to just do a quick video on my overall account and what I'm doing, especially now we're seeing recent volatility and just bearish momentum. We're seeing a lot of pullbacks in the market with the Mag 7, as well as crypto as a whole has taken a hit. And before we get into it, quick shout out to the Discord. It is free to join. And then I also offer a premium membership that's $8 a month. And that gives you access to one-on-one coaching, trade callouts. I have an options selling course and giveaways and more. But the links to that are in the description. So let's get into this. So the past month, I'm still up 2%, but this past week has taken a hit. I'm down 4%. And the entire market has taken a hit, so I'm not too concerned, and I'm also not invested all in. I had this cash on the sidelines waiting for a sort of opportunity. So I was waiting for an opportunity like this because I did feel that the market was in a bubble. It was pretty obvious that we were in a spot where everything seemed to be overvalued. One of my positions was Riot. This has dropped 17%. And that's why all I was doing was rolling my covered calls, keeping them alive, not buying them back, and just simply letting things play out. Because eventually positions correct themselves, or the market corrects itself in general. And that's what I believe this is. We might see more downturn, which I'm prepared for. I have that buying power, and I'm going to use that buying power pretty strategically. I'm not going to go all in just now, because if we do continue with this downturn, I'm going to need that cash for other opportunities. But I am deploying that cash in cash secured puts. So I have some going on with Oscar. I have around 3,300 in Oscar through cash secured puts. I still think Oscar is a great opportunity, and it does have earnings soon. So we'll see where things head after that. But I also have one in Mara as well. That was getting a lot of FUD because of the CEO was selling off their shares. And again, I think this is short-term volatility. So I opened up a cash secured put. I have a lot of videos going over where cash secured puts are and how they work, but they're a very consistent strategy. And this is what I'm doing now. And again, I'm not going all in. I did one of these. This one was around 1,400 to do this sort of position, but I still have that $7,000 in buying power and waiting for more downturn. Same with crypto. I'm consistently buying no matter what. I'm doing dollar cost average, buying every day, $3 a day in Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then $1 in the other positions, and just letting this play out. This is a long-term play investment. I'm not really getting nervous about this volatility. Now, if you just got into investing and you kind of went all in, this is the unfortunate side of investing. You kind of have to learn the hard way that the market can't just keep going up. Eventually, there will be red, there will be blood in the streets, and this is where I try to take advantage of that sort of opportunity. You can look at VIX. VIX is a pretty good indicator of where we're at. 20 is on the higher, or probably in the middle. 15, under 15, things are a lot less volatile. And that's why you should have cash on the side waiting for that volatility spike. And I've seen VIX go up to 40, and that's really when you want to be all in. And that's what I'm doing, and that's why I'm still putting money in, but I'm not going super crazy with these plays. And what's other stuff that I have going on? I'm not selling, so I'm not panic selling. A lot of people, what they do is they end up selling because of this volatility and this red, because they're concerned that things can get lower. And that is a concern of mine. But again, I am not going to panic sell. I'm just going to simply hold my positions over time and let time play its part. And just doing the simple strategies that work. I'm not buying options, not buying calls. I'm not going all in, because this is not the time to be doing that. You still want to be investing in case that the market turns around and starts trending upwards, but you don't want to be all in because the market can continue downwards. So overall, I wouldn't panic about this sort of situation we have going on. I would just simply do what was working for you. And if you are seeing a lot of red, maybe pull back slightly and just take a look at your own strategy. See what's working, see what isn't working. Perhaps it was because you went all in at the top, or you were buying options, and that's what you should change. You should change to selling options and being more of a conservative with investing and waiting for better opportunities. So I'm not concerned, but that is the state of the market right now. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. Until next time, peace.